everyone, welcome to the second video of today, and I'm going to do the 24th of July. So I am going to go for something a little bit more playful here, but I will definitely use the Mayan blue again, and this time I want the Mayan blue to shine, so I don't want to mix it with anything else, and yeah, you'll see what happens. So first of all, thank you so much again for all of your comments and the support we're sharing amongst each other and the community that we have created together. It just makes me so happy because when I started this series, I kind of was in a creative rut, and also my my energy wasn't very good, and then towards the end it started dropping even. But I really wanted to, without overdoing it, without forcing myself, I wanted to see whether I can get myself out of this whatever I was going through, and using art to do that with, and also not being afraid of sharing how I felt and be honest with you, and like I said, create a safe place for us to be able to talk about these things, because for a long time it was the elephant in the room, and obviously a lot of things have been going on in all of our lives, and yeah, sometimes it feels good to open up and share these things without oversharing, but just to feel that support from one another. So once again, thank you so much for everyone who has been reaching out and commenting. So today I thought I will share something. One of my I think long time now viewers, subscribers, has suggested this thing, which I thought was really fun, to share which channels and which YouTubers we're watching, so that we can create this again sharing community, and maybe we will discover some channels that we haven't heard of before. So I'm not sure if you haven't heard of any of those that I'm going to mention today, but I'm definitely looking forward to checking out some of your suggestions as well. So I'm going to start with of course Irit Landgraf. So I have to say my #1 channel, because she's currently doing everyday videos, and this is what inspired me to start this series and get myself out of this creative rut, and yeah, push myself a little bit to to be happier and maybe feeling a little bit more I don't know, good. I'll just keep it nice and short and sweet, and yeah, so I literally look forward when I see her video pop up. Sometimes I watch it a few times on repeat, not one time after the other, but for example, if I'm doing something, I put it on, and then if I can't concentrate because I'm doing something else, I will then make sure when I have my quiet time that I go and watch it again. So yeah, I have really enjoyed it, and again, the reason why I'm watching Irit is just that positivity. I love her giggle. I think a little giggle here and there really lifts you up as a viewer. The positivity, and all of us have these days where we just feel blah, but we want to spread happiness as creators, I suppose. So yeah, I opened up a little bit about what I was going through, for the reasons that we could share it with each other, but at the end of the day, I don't want to talk about it too long, because I know why you come here. Same reason why I go to other YouTubers and channels, to take my mind off things, and be inspired by pretty things, by creative things, and that's why I love Irit's channel. So Irit, if you're watching, thank you for all of your hard work. So next channel I am loving to watch is Ali Brown. Now Ali Brown had a bit of a shift in her style of videos. She has opened up quite a bit, and recently it's more around her life style and her beliefs. with a little bit of art here and there, but yeah, I used to really enjoy her art videos, journaling and all of that. So my Mr. Darcy came from Ali's sharing of her Mr. Darcy. Okay, next one, Arlie Bean. Now, in a similar way to Irid, Arlie Bean has this really positive vibe to her voiceovers, and it's just therapy. Like, she's just so chilled, she's so relaxed. I love how she speaks, how she talks, and of course her art as well. She does loads of portraits. Style is very unique. And yeah, oh yeah, I forgot to say, Irid Landgraf, of course, very known for her bright color palette. This is how I got to know her art, and now the colors that she has been combining are super beautiful. I have been really enjoying. So yeah, so those things really I love. And then let's see, I also will mention Shada Campbell. So I will try to link everyone in the description, and she has a channel where she basically doodles or draws botanicals with, most of the time, is a micron pen. So it's very interesting to see how she draws flowers, and if you ever wanted to learn how to draw flowers, this is a good place to go. She also does beautiful watercolor botanicals where it's very modern, and she just goes straight in with the watercolor without drawing anything beforehand. So quite like and enjoy her style. Also quite sophisticated, very modern, and just really pleasant to watch, very calming. Who else? Pear Fleur, I hope I pronounce her name correctly. Very unique style, and yeah, lovely watercolors and all sorts of things as well. Then I have Lioba Bruckner. This is a German YouTuber. She has videos in English, and she creates portraits as well, but also in a very unique style. I just love her narrations and watching her very regular videos as well, and her style, again, very unique, and I don't know, I just enjoy it. It makes me feel relaxed. Mini Small, I'm sure we all know who Mini Small is. I like watching her videos on occasion. Also very calm narration, very relaxed atmosphere in her on her channel and her videos. Watercolor Misfit, again, I love how calming her videos are, and some of the videos in the past have been beautifully edited and so professionally made. She's a watercolor, obviously, artist. Yeah, so I do enjoy her illustration style as well. Then I have Catnip. Now Catnip, if you want a ray of sunshine and just something to pick yourself up and smile, go and check Catnip out. She has an Etsy store, and her YouTube is about vlogs and how she just actually opened a new store, or a studio. She bought a new office place, and yeah, it's been very, very interesting, and I just love watching her process. Last one I will mention is Sarah Tappers. Sarah Tappers, also one of the most recent discoveries, but beautiful portraits and things like that. All right, I have gone through the list. I rushed because the video is not too long. Thank you for watching. Leave all of your favorite YouTubers down below, and see you in 2 hours.